Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. If you don't know me already, my name is Caitlin, and today I am super excited about this craft because I'm going to show you how to make an interchangeable necklace. This is a design idea that we will probably use in the future, and I have done it a couple of times in my own jewelry in the past, but my first time here on Busy Beader. And what makes interchangeable necklaces so cool is that you have your chain and it has a little hook on the end of it, and then you can mix and match, add, change, put whatever charm you'd like on it in quick, easy ways without having to get your pliers out. So, in the morning on the day-to-day, you can pop on whatever you'd like and just go. And it's a super fun idea. So today we're going to be making two little flower bouquets, and I kind of went with warm colors and then cool colors, a kind of a winter summer theme to it. But before we jump in, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the one who supplied me with all of the tools and materials that I have, and they have so much more. So be sure to check out their website in the description box below and take a look around. They've got a lot of really amazing jewelry and crafting related supplies. So be sure to do that, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do that, you get to hang out with me every week, and it shows me that you're loving my content and that you want to see more of it. So be sure to do that, and let's go ahead and jump into this craft today. Step 1. Today, the tools that you're going to need are a set of clippers and round nose pliers, and then another set of pliers handy just in case. And then you're going to need a chain. I chose this already finished chain here so that we don't have to worry about a clasp today. Then you're going to need a whole bunch of head pins, a couple of eye pins, a clasp that looks like this, just a little hook clasp, and then you need sparkles. So I have two groups here. I have a warm colored group and a cool colored group because we're going to be making two little flower bouquets, and you can change them out based on what colors you're wearing or what season or whatever you fancy. So we're going to be repeating the process twice today. So you could do something similar with this design for earrings, but today I thought I'd show you a very cool interchangeable necklace. So let's jump in. Step 2. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we need to make our flowers. So we are going to take head pins here and just straighten them out with our fingers as best we can. They don't have to be perfect because we're kind of going to manipulate them later when they're in the bouquet. But we are going to slide our bicone crystal passion beads, and just going to put one on the end. And then you're going to take your pliers here and you're going to bend it over the end just like this. And then when it looks like this, you're going to take your pliers and just give it a little smush so that it kind of makes a very small oval style loop, but we're not putting anything through the loop. It's just to keep the bead from falling off the end. So you are going to repeat this process of putting the gem on the head pin and putting a kink in the end of it for all of the beads that you're going to use. So go ahead and do that and then meet me back here. Step 3. All right, now that we have all of our flowers, what you're going to do is take them in a bunch like this and kind of get them as even as you can here. It doesn't matter a ton, but then you're going to take your head pin and we are going to be leaving the loop of the head pin up above. And so kind of hold that with your forefinger, and then you're going to take the wire and we're going to be wrapping the wire around. So this part is going to take a little bit of patience, a little bit of finesse, kind of play with the way that your fingers hold everything. You can also always grab pliers to help hold everything if you need, but you are just going to find a way to get the wire wrapped around, and you don't have to go around a ton of times, just 2 or 3 should be sufficient. And then you're going to take your pliers and we're going to kind of squish all of these together a little bit. And if you find that you didn't wrap tight enough and everything's moving a little willy-nilly, what you're going to want to do is first we are going to clip off the excess. So we're going to flip it around here and we're going to find where it comes out and we're going to clip. And then as we always do, we're just going to make sure that that tail is tucked in so that it doesn't scratch you. Now get your positioning kind of where you want it to be. So you're going to want to be a little bit more towards center, but slightly towards these guys because it's going to be a little heavier. So it's going to sit like this. And then you are going to take your wires and you're going to smush those loops that you made so that they kind of go oblong, and that should hopefully hold your bouquet for you. Once you have your bouquet nice and secure, you can begin to move your wires. So you're just going to move them out a little bit on both ends so that it gives that impression of flowers. And there we go. So this whole process that you just did for the warm colors here, if you are making an interchangeable necklace with me, you're going to repeat that whole process for the cool colors. So go ahead and do that and meet me back here and I'll show you how to finish. Step 4. Okay, now that we have both of our bouquets done, don't those look so pretty? We have to add them to our necklace. So I chose a chain that was already finished here, but if you do not have a chain that's finished, go ahead and cut your chain and add your clasp according to the length that you want. But for us here, we are going to take our end that has the loop on it instead of the clasp, and we're going to take this little guy here and slide it through. And this guy already came with a jump ring attached, but if yours does not, go ahead and add the jump ring, but you're gonna slide that through the chain. And now what you can do is take this little hook and you can put it through the loop and put the bouquet on. And that is how you change them out. So if you're like, I'm wearing blue today, I want blue, you're just gonna pop that off and then pop the blue one on. Like that. It is that easy. So there is our interchangeable bouquet necklace. And there you have it. Just like that, you have a really cool interchangeable necklace. Super easy. So right now I have the blue flower bouquet on, all of the cool colors. And all I have to do to change that out is slip the bouquet off of the hook like that and take this other one and slide that one on like that. Easy, simple, but really beautiful. And then you get to customize your outfit. I love, good matching set here. Super into fashion. So I like it when my accessories match whatever I got going on. So I hope that you had so much fun getting to make this with me today. If you did, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the ones who make all of this crafting fun possible. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one.